how to sell in eBay. Now, if you open the eBay application over here and then you go to the selling section, it says you that if you want to sell, you have to list it on the website. So in order to go to their website, you just have to go to ebay.com/seller center. I repeat, ebay.com/seller center. Once you're here, you'll be able to see the seller account details right here. Now what you want to do is simply tap on the three lines option here and then simply go to the option called selling and tap on start selling on eBay. Now over here, what you have to do is tap on the start selling option for easy listing. And once you're here, you should be able to go ahead and then list it in minutes. And then from there on, you should be able to enter your products. And as a result, you'll also be able to go ahead and then sell your items on eBay. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then sell in eBay. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.